Welcome to Comparative VPN YouTube channel. In today's video, I will talk about the best VPN for crypto and give you my top 3 VPNs for trading cryptocurrency safely and securely. Crypto and VPNs have one thing in common, and that's privacy. While cryptocurrencies let you enjoy anonymous purchases, VPNs let you anonymize your entire web browsing experience. However, if you're thinking about selling or buying crypto online, you should know that the best VPN for crypto can be quite beneficial for both casual and serious traders. One of the reasons for that is that you won't be able to trade certain cryptocurrencies depending on your location, like Bitcoin, which is often on the blacklist of many countries. Some countries like China or Russia, for example, have strict crypto laws, preventing you from fully utilizing the market. You can easily solve this issue with a VPN, as it lets you change your IP address to another country and basically make you appear as if you're located in that particular country. As a result, you can enjoy trading and buying or selling any crypto you like, as long as you change your online location to a country where trading a particular currency is allowed. We also must mention that not every country allows for trading crypto or simply using them as a means of payment. In other words, you won't be able to utilize them at all. Some of these countries include Nepal, China, Colombia, Bolivia, Vietnam, and even Egypt. Logically, you can solve this issue in the exact same way, of course, by using the best VPN for crypto. Simply change your IP to another country, visit a trading website you like, and start trading. Speaking of trading websites, many of them simply aren't safe to use despite looking all shiny and professional. Namely, every trading website or crypto wallet collects your IP address, which can be dangerous, especially since you don't know who exactly is operating any of these websites. Not to mention that crypto wallets are prone to hacking, so it's always good to keep your IP address away from the prying eyes with a VPN. Oh, and one more thing. While trading, the fees will also depend on your location, but I do not condone using a VPN for crypto trading to decrease or avoid fees. This is a quick disclaimer. So, the best crypto VPN services that I will present today are all privacy oriented, they support Bitcoin payments, and while using them, you can be sure that your trading is 100% safe, anonymous, and of course not limited according to your location. They include ExpressVPN, CyberGhost, and NordVPN, and before I talk more about them, make sure you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell icon to remain notified whenever we publish a new useful video like this one. The best VPN for trading cryptocurrencies for me is ExpressVPN. I use this VPN a lot and I really enjoy its 3000 servers in 94 countries that are available in the application. This is the fastest VPN you can get, by the way, so you will rarely, if ever, encounter any connection problems that could interfere with your trading process. To make sure that you stay safe and secure while trading, ExpressVPN offers a huge array of security features. These include, of course, military-grade encryption, as well as a kill switch, IPv6 leak protection, and even a proprietary lightweight VPN protocol. This protocol is here not only for improving performance, but also the overall level of security. I mentioned that crypto sites store information like your IP address, but that's not the case with ExpressVPN. It actually has a certified no-logging policy, which means that information like IP address, DNS requests, browsing history, connection timestamps, and geolocation are not stored on ExpressVPN servers. One more thing to mention is app support. ExpressVPN can be installed on all platforms you see on the screen, so even if you want to use it on your iPhone or Samsung phone, let's say, you can do it and you can trade crypto on the go securely. Even better, ExpressVPN supports 5 simultaneous connections in a single subscription, meaning that you can protect multiple devices at the same time, not having to pay $1 more. And if any issues occur, you'll respect the presence of 24/7 live chat support that will fix any issue in less than 10 or so minutes. Let's talk about pricing now. You can see the prices on the screen and you can get a 49% discount and 3 months free for the annual plan on ExpressVPN that you can purchase by using Bitcoin. Yeah, so you can buy ExpressVPN completely anonymously, and by getting this deal, you also get a 30-day unconditional money-back guarantee just in case you don't like it and you want to get a refund for whatever reason. Sounds good? Well, you can get this deal by using the following link, comparative-vpn.fr/evpn, or just click on the link in the description box below the video to claim this deal on ExpressVPN. Okay, what about CyberGhost? Well, as I said, this is a really good crypto VPN offering more than 7,000 servers in 90 countries. To be honest, I don't use it as much as ExpressVPN, but that takes away nothing from how good this cheap VPN is. Sure, it's not faster than ExpressVPN, but on the flip side, it offers stable performance across all servers, letting you unblock and enjoy trading websites in complete safety. Speaking of which, despite being so cheap, CyberGhost didn't skimp on any security features. You surely get military-grade encryption here, and you also get a kill switch, IP and DNS leak protection. Furthermore, I must mention that CyberGhost supports WireGuard as well, which is a VPN protocol that improves performance and gives you more stable connections. CyberGhost doesn't have an external audit on its privacy policy. However, you can be sure that this is a no-logging policy, as the VPN won't store any compromising information I mentioned earlier. This is all backed up by transparency reports published every 3 months that you can check out on the VPN's website. Much like ExpressVPN, CyberGhost can be installed on all platforms. Honestly, its applications aren't as easy to use, especially if you're a newcomer, but on the brighter side, it gives you 7 simultaneous connections, which is a lot better than 5 in ExpressVPN. Before I talk about pricing, I will mention 24/7 live chat support, but also the fact that CyberGhost won't work in censored countries like China, for example. So if you're interested in trading crypto in China, ExpressVPN is definitely a better choice. Price-wise, you can see that CyberGhost is significantly cheaper than ExpressVPN. The VPN also supports Bitcoin payments, albeit you won't be able to buy CyberGhost add-ons like dedicated IP address, password manager, and security suite for Windows. Nevertheless, the VPN offers a 45-day money-back guarantee for all long-term plans, so if you're interested in getting the cheapest deal on CyberGhost, one on the left, along with a 45-day money-back guarantee I mentioned, make sure you use this link, comparative-vpn.fr/cg, or as I said earlier, click on the link in the description box below the video to claim the cheapest possible deal on CyberGhost VPN. NordVPN is the last best VPN for crypto for today. This is not a bad VPN by any means, but 3 VPNs cannot share one spot. This VPN gives you more than 5,000 servers in 60 countries, which is really impressive, and unlike CyberGhost, it's actually really fast. In my several speed tests, NordVPN proved to be almost as fast as ExpressVPN, and this is great if you don't want to miss a single moment on the crypto marketplace and stay in touch with your earnings all the time. NordVPN improved a lot performance-wise, and this is due to its proprietary NordLynx VPN protocol. This protocol brought many improvements, and apart from speeds, NordVPN is now much more secure. Features like 256-bit encryption, kill switch, split tunneling, and IPv6 leak protection are here, and I like the addition of ad blocker for getting rid of annoying ads on certain websites. As is the case with ExpressVPN, NordVPN offers an audited no-logging policy. This means that no logs of your browsing or trading history, IP address, or DNS requests are stored on NordVPN servers, making for a completely anonymous experience. We also must mention that NordVPN supports quite a few devices and platforms, which you can see on the screen. Also, this is a fairly easy to use VPN and supports 6 simultaneous connections on a single account. In my opinion, it's more than enough for an average user. Of course, 24/7 live chat support is here, and unlike CyberGhost, NordVPN actually works in China, so Chinese traders can now enjoy trading not only Bitcoin but other cryptocurrencies as well. Now, what about pricing? Well, as you can see, NordVPN costs somewhere between CyberGhost and ExpressVPN, and the good thing is that it supports crypto payments. I like that not only Bitcoin is supported here, but also Litecoin, Dash, Monero, and a few more. So, if you want to get the cheapest deal on NordVPN, one on the left, along with a 30-day unconditional money-back guarantee that applies to all subscription plans, of course, make sure you use this link, comparative-vpn.fr/nord1, or just click on the link in the description below the video to claim the cheapest possible deal on NordVPN. And with my VPN presentation out of the way, you now know what is the best VPN for crypto. Using a VPN for crypto isn't mandatory, but it can drastically improve your security while you trade and manage crypto, obscuring your IP address in the process, or simply letting you trade currencies that are not available in your country. My personal favorite for this purpose is ExpressVPN, but if you don't want to pay that much, CyberGhost and NordVPN represent solid money-saving options. All of the VPNs I gave you offer a money-back guarantee, so it costs nothing to test any of them out and enjoy many other benefits that they offer. And with that said, this was all for today's video. I really hope you liked it, and if you did, make sure you smash the like button below the video, subscribe to our channel, and stick with us because many more useful videos like this are coming pretty much on a daily basis. See you in the next video. Bye.